Fellas, welcome back to Wiseman Company. Ben here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Optimus 7 from Griffin Armament. For those of you that saw my Optimus 6 video with Eric from Barrel and Hatchet, you know that I really like the can. We both like the suppressor. The Optimus 6 is a 6mm can. That's how it's advertised. This is the Optimus 7, and it is a 30 cal can. These are 3D printed. They come in a couple different colors. This one's FDE, and they come in black. 3D printed cans are getting really popular. The low back pressure, quote unquote, style is getting very popular. I like the Optimus 6 and I really like the Optimus 7. So this is going to be a short and quick video about it. Let's start off with some specs. This one has their DUAL-LOK system. They have a couple of different hubs for the back of their cans. I highly recommend the DUAL-LOK system. It's very secure. It's a great mounting option for this suppressor. Griffin has a ton of multiple devices to go along with it. So I like the DUAL-LOK. If you like taper or direct thread, that's up to you, but I really like the DUAL-LOK. The Optimus 6 can I have is taper, and this one is DUAL-LOK. I prefer the DUAL-LOK. Anyway, length 7.5 inches, weight 19.7 ounces. Again, this is advertised as a low back pressure can. These cans are great to use on guns that are very gassy or that have a lot of gas. Okay, so low back pressure, because anytime you put on a can, it's going to create a traditional can. It's going to create back pressure, and that can make cycling a little problematic depending on what you're using and what ammo you have. I ran it mainly on an AK, so 7.62x39 was going through this can the majority of the time. I hadn't seen anyone run one of these cans on an AK yet, so that's why I kind of wanted to spend most of my time with an AK. 7.62x39, a little bit more punchy. AKs are really gassy. Wanted to see how it would work out, and it worked out great. Now, I ran this, like I said, I ran this on an AK the majority of the time, but I did run it on a Griffin Mark II in 300 blackout that has an 8-inch barrel. I ran it on a Galil. I ran it on a Ruger American in 300 blackout, and then I ran it on an AR-15 in 5.56. So I used it, I swapped it around quite a bit, used it a lot. You can see there's some actual green on here from where I laid it on AstroTurf when it was hot. Not a good idea. Regardless of what gun I put the Optimus 7 on, it ran great. It is a really soft shooting can. Can't say that enough. I really like the Optimus 6. I thought it really toned down the recoil, allowed me to stay on target for follow-up shots, but this one did an even better job. Yeah, it's a little bit more heavy, so weight on the front is going to help with that, but again, that low back pressure takes away some of that punchiness. Putting this on the Rifle Dynamics 703 made that gun so soft to shoot. It was a dream to shoot. I'm not a big AK guy. I kind of started out my career with AKs, but then got away from them quickly. And going back to shooting an AK with a suppressor really made me pine for those times. It was really fun shooting that gun with a suppressor on it, and this Optimus 7 was a great fit. No issues with supersonic ammo, and I even got to run some subsonic through it, and subsonic wasn't as reliable, but that was probably more of an ammunition issue. It was probably 50% reliability with subsonic. The Brown Bear and some of the cheap steel case subsonic I had, you could tell the loads weren't very consistent, and it ran into issues. So subsonic, not as good as results, but still, it was fun to run subs through this can. Sounded great, tone was awesome, nice and quiet.
Quiet. Don't touch the barrel, dumbass. It's actually working now. Would you start holding it?
In conclusion, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. Griffin Armament makes it easy to purchase cans from them. They can do a lot of the legwork as far as paperwork on their website, and you can even get cans shipped to your door. if you go through their process. I know the wait times for suppressors right now can be a little hit or miss because of the new rules, but there's never been a better time to pick up suppressor. And if you're looking for your first suppressor, I would go with the Optimus 7 over the Optimus 6. Just my personal preference. This is going to cover more of your bases. And I would recommend the DUAL-LOK. Again, the DUAL-LOK if you decide to go with the Griffin can, because the lockup is nice and secure, easy to swap around. So this, can't say it, Optimus 7, I can't say enough good things about it. Great choice. Guys, if you want to support us, go to wisemencompany.com. That is the best way to support us. We have a lot of great gear over there for you to check out. It's high quality goods. It's fast shipping. Supports us directly. We don't take money from companies to make these videos. All the support comes directly from you guys buying stuff off our website. And trust me, we do not take that support for granted. It is greatly appreciated. All right, my name's Ben. I'll see you on the next one.